demolished. There's a lot of abandoned coal power plants. What an incredible sight. It's a huge power production plants. This is what is required if you want to house everybody from the rural into city. Both sides of this travels on the train journey. Abandoned storage units and housing units and factory units, as they have been completely derelict and left abandoned. So there's so much. Why don't we put emphasis to redevelop the ones that are derelict instead of consuming more of the land and more of the waste? There must be a method to try and rejuvenate these old abandoned units of buildings. There must be a way to do it. I have drawn up so many engineering and intelligent planning maps myself to understand what is social engineering is all about, from energy to food source to reuse of existing and current methods with new and more intelligent technologies that we have currently in use, and put into more research and planning of future developments and future urban development projects as we design our current methods using the old methodologies and reuse and reinvest in the old buildings with more advanced technologies to reduce the wastage. As you can see, these are all abandoned units of houses, and there's still remnants of human and community living amongst middle of massive factory and industrial plants that can't be healthy for any human being or for any living matter. Look at this broken down housing that scars the land. Look at the waste disposal, an intelligent way of disposing our waste material, including building material. This can't be right in any order, anywhere in the world. Look at this plastic packaging. Small construction sites who dug the power plants standing redundant and obsolete, and new sites have been built right in the middle of the old power plants. There got to be a way of learning and understanding further development projects, not just this country but everywhere in the world. the population numbers does not help us in planning that. As we progress to plan the population numbers, we got to rethink. We got to be in an evolution of rethinking, redesigning, and re-engineering methods needs to be used for improving and harnessing the human communities without damaging their way of life, without damaging their health, without damaging the environment. All of that needs to come into consideration instead of just going and planning and just going in and hashing out housing and factories and production units and power units and so on and so forth.